Many of us believe that becoming a millionaire is only possible for those with high-paying jobs, or those who come from wealthy backgrounds. But I'm here to tell you that this is simply not true. By making smart financial decisions and following a few key principles, you can achieve financial freedom and build your wealth, even if you have a low salary. So, whether you're just starting out in your career or you are looking for ways to boost your savings, this video is for you. Live below your means, spending less money than you earn. It's a fundamental concept that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom, even on a low salary. By living below your means, you'll have more money to save, invest, and use for other financial goals. The importance of living below your means can be seen in several ways. First, it allows you to create a budget and stick to it. By tracking your spending and cutting unnecessary expenses, you can ensure that you have enough money to cover your essential expenses, such as housing, food, and transportation. Second, living below your means can help you avoid debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to building wealth, especially high-interest credit card debt. By living below your means, you can avoid taking on debt that you cannot afford to repay. Finally, living below your means can help you save money for emergencies, investments, and other financial goals. By cutting expenses and finding ways to save money, you'll have more money to put towards your savings and investment accounts. Invest consistently in growth assets. Growth assets are investments that have the potential to increase in value over time, such as stocks, mutual funds, and real estate. These assets have historically provided higher returns than traditional savings accounts and are a key component of a successful long-term investment strategy. The benefits of investing in growth assets include compound interest and long-term investing. Compound interest is the concept of earning interest on your initial investment, as well as on any interest that has been accrued. This can result in significant returns over time, especially if you consistently reinvest your earnings. Long-term investing involves holding onto your investments for an extended period, typically 10 years or more. This allows your investments to weather short-term market fluctuations and take advantage of long-term growth trends. It also allows for the power of compound interest to work in your favor. Start a side hustle. A side hustle is a business or job that you do in addition to your regular full-time job, and it can provide additional sources of income that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. The benefits of creating additional sources of income through a side hustle are numerous. First, it can help you pay off debt faster and build your emergency fund more quickly. It can also provide a buffer against job loss or unexpected expenses. Second, a side hustle can help you increase your earning potential over time. By developing new skills and building your network, you can increase your value in the job market and potentially earn more money in the future. Finally, a side hustle can help you pursue your passions and turn them into profitable ventures. By doing something that you enjoy and are passionate about, you can potentially turn it into a full-time business in the future. In conclusion, we discussed 3 financial concepts that can help you become a millionaire on a low salary. First, live below your means by cutting expenses and avoiding debt. Second, invest consistently in growth assets, and take advantage of compound interest and long-term growth trends. Third, start a side hustle to create additional sources of income, increase your earning potential, and pursue your passions. We encourage you to start implementing these concepts in your own lives and to share your own financial tips and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on personal finance and wealth building. Thank you for watching.